Hello, everyone. This is Speak Up. I hope you have a nice day.
Don't roll your eyeball. Just look at the camera because you don't have to look at your boyfriend too. I couldn't add it. You almost rolled your eyeball, right? I know that. Okay. Do you have a plan? Okay, perfect. Wow, it's good. We are doing the from the top.
Yes, direct. Thank you. Bye. I am teacher Hannah. I have been an English teacher for more than a year. I have taught students of different ages and nationalities. Before I decide what teaching method to be used, I try to check first the learning style that will suit to the students. It is important to observe and know the student needs to have an efficient class. Through online classes, you can enjoy different benefits. For one, it is very convenient. You can have a class anywhere you are as long as you have a laptop or computer, mobile phone, and internet connection without the worrying of having consistency in studying English. You can have your classes at your own conveniences. All these benefits at reasonable cost. Speak Up is a community that helps students find the best teacher that suits their learning needs without any extra fees or charges taken from them or even from the teachers. This gives the students freedom to have a class with a teacher of his or her own choice at a reasonable cost. Being good at English is not only about having knowledge in grammar, pronunciation, reading, listening, or writing. It's about applying what you learned from your class on your daily lives. So speak up and be supreme in English. For more information, details, and questions, feel free to leave your comment in the comment section only in English. I'll do my best to reply as soon as possible time.